Guys, let's simplify these exponents. Number 1, these are exponents for grade 11. It is found on the textbook. So number 1, it's 9 to the exponent 1 over 2. Okay, 9 to the exponent 1 over 2. We're going to change 9 into exponential form. Is 3 squared to the exponent 1 over 2 outside the bracket. Then it's gonna be 2 times 1 over 2. This one is law number 3, whereby if I have a base inside the bracket and an exponent, then an exponent outside the bracket, you multiply the exponents. Yeah, so I did the same thing here. So 2 times half, it's 1. So we have 3 to the exponent 1, of which is 3. Then number 2, we have 16 to the exponent 3 over 4. 16 is 2 to the exponent 4. Then it's 3 to the exponent 4. 2 to the exponent 4 times 3 over 4. 4 times 3 over 4, the 4 cancels. So we are left with 2 cube. So 2 cube is 8. And we'll move on to number 3. Number 3, it's 81. 81 to the exponent 1 over 4. 81 is 3 to the exponent 4. 1 over 4 outside bracket. So it's 3, 4 times 1 over 4. 4 times 1 over 4. The 4 cancels. We have 3 to the exponent 1. Then the answer is 3. Then moving on to number 4. We have 27 to the exponent 2 over 3. 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube, 2 over 3 outside the bracket is an exponent. 3 times 2 over 3. Law number 3. So 3 cancels. We have 3 squared. Then the answer is 9. Then number 5. 32 to the exponent 3 over 5. 3 over 5. So this one is 2 to the exponent 5. This one is 2 to the exponent 5. Then we have 3 over 5 outside the brackets. So 2 to the exponent 5 times 3 over 5. The 5 cancel. Then we have 2 cube. Then the answer is 8. Then we have 64, or number 6 is 64 to the exponent negative 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So 64 is 2 to the exponent 6. Negative 1 over 3. 2 to the exponent 1 over 6. Then we remove the brackets by multiplying the exponents. So 3 into 6 is 2 times negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then we change the sign, the exponent we leave the exponent into a positive exponent. So it's gonna be 1 over 2 squared. So 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. Then we have our number 7. Our number 7 is 1 over 27 to the exponent 2 over 3. Let's change 27. 27 is it's 1 over 3 cube 2 over 3. Then 3 cube. Let's take 3 cube to the numerator. The numerator is going to be 3 to the exponent negative 3. Inside the bracket, 2 over 3. Then 3 negative 3. We remove the bracket by multiplying the exponents. Then 3 cancel. We have 3 to the exponent negative 2. Then we leave the exponent in a positive exponent. This is negative, so we're going to have 3 squared. Then it's gonna be 1 over 9. Thanks for watching.